the Palestinian people are being starved, bombed, and forcibly displaced by Israel, their unlawful occupier. Israel has not allowed food, water, medicine, and medical supplies or fuel into Gaza for the past 2 months, a policy supported by the highest court in Israel, which rejected petitions to allow aid into Gaza on several occasions. This man-made catastrophe of unprecedented proportions targets life itself. Death looms large, including by starvation, which has already claimed the lives of 59 Palestinian children. The UN Secretary General has described Gaza as a killing field, where civilians are in an endless death loop. This legal and moral crisis is not 18 months old. Israel has been systematically dispossessing, uprooting, slaughtering and imprisoning Palestinians in absolute flagrant disregard for international law and the inalienable rights of the Palestinian people for 8 years now. It has done so with the intent to destroy our people and to thwart the realization of self-determination in their homeland. To implement this policy, Israel has waged a relentless campaign of erasure against Palestinian people, their demography, their material presence, their national identity, their history and heritage, and their very humanity. This campaign of erasure was a central hallmark of the Nakba that started in 1947, and whose darkest chapter yet unfolding before our eyes and yours. On 3 separate occasions in the past years, the court issued provisional measures ordering Israel, among other things, to ensure and facilitate the unimpeded flow of humanitarian assistance into Gaza. Israel did not comply. On 19 July 2024, this court also ruled that Israel's presence in and control over the occupied Palestinian territory is unlawful and must come to an end. The court also ruled that despite the illegality of occupation regime, Israel was still bound by its obligations under international law as an occupying power. These obligations include ensuring the welfare of the protected civilians. Israel defied this ruling and the rule of law, brazenly declaring instead its official policy of annexing the occupied Palestinian territory, forcibly displacing Palestinian people, weaponizing food and humanitarian aid, and negating refugee issue and their rights, including by banning UNRWA. To summarize, Israel is an unlawful occupying power, standing trial for genocide. Its prime minister is wanted by the ICC. It's attempting to destroy Palestinian people and erase Palestine, including by barring and obstructing humanitarian organizations, thus also violating its obligations under the UN Charter and other instruments of international law.